What's up, family? What's going on, family? I got my reading glasses on right now because I'm going to be answering some questions for you guys today. The camera's about to die, so actually, yeah, this camera's about to die, so I'm going to switch cameras. This is a glare on my glasses. I'm going to switch cameras, family, because the camera's about to die. Dang, I got so skinny again. I'm getting skinny, but no, I still got some gains. Haven't been hitting the gym. Been working so much, family. I'm tired, family. I'm tired. I'm so tired. But nah, look, I can't sleep, guys. Listen, I'm about to answer some questions. I'm about to answer some questions right now live for you guys. So yeah, just stay tuned. This camera's about to die, so I'm gonna switch cameras. Alright, family, let's get it. Let's get it.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Okay, family, I switched to the GoPro. I am tired. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I've been working non-stop. That's why I've been missing days. Like, so much work, like, that's like not online stuff that I had to do. You know, like send a truck somewhere, do a lot of stuff. It's been crazy, so I'm super tired. But, so I'm kind of backed up in questions, guys. So I'm just going to answer some right now. So hopefully you are watching this if you sent me a question. So guys, I'm just going to give you my answer for how I would go about these situations and these questions, guys. So let's get right into it. The first question. I'm not going to say any names so that, you know, some people don't want to like know, you know, they don't want people knowing what they asking. I don't know why I've seen Q&As and people like say their names and stuff. I mean, maybe some people like that, but I'm not going to do that just so I don't put you out there, so I'm not going to say any names. But somebody said, okay, they said, hey, bro, I'm wondering if you could help a brother out. Of course I can help a brother out, bro. Let's go. You fam. You subscribe. You fam. You hit the bell. You family. All right. Every time I try to add inventory for FBA, it goes to FBM options. Do you know what I'm doing wrong? I don't know what you're doing wrong, bro, because I can't see your computer. So I don't know what you're doing wrong. However, just make sure you're clicking Amazon fulfilled, right? So at the beginning, Amazon fulfilled. I have a step-by-step video, and this is like one of the main videos you need. I encourage everyone who starts off with Amazon, who's wanting to get in Amazon. If you haven't seen this video yet, go watch this video. It's the breakdown step-by-step formula, guys, and literally it'll knock out a bunch of your questions. So that I'm gonna answer now too, but this video is in depth and it'll like probably answer all your questions. So I'm gonna post a link to that right here, up here somewhere. Alright, guys, I'm gonna post a video and it'll be in the link in the description below. So yeah, I'm gonna post a step-by-step video, but yeah, you're just probably moving a little fast, or just not. This is one little thing you're probably doing wrong. All right, so go check out that video. All right, next question. This is from. I'm just joking. I ain't saying no names. Ha! All right, this. Hey, dude. I just watched your video on BSR template and was wondering if you're still giving that out. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just starting the Amazon FBA, and you are the only dude on YouTube that is telling the truth and willing to help the people watching your videos. Thanks a lot, bro. Listen, I mean, you know, I don't want all that credit though. You know, we brothers. But thank you, fam. BSR template. So get this, guys. Yes, I still have it. I can send you my template, but here's the deal. All you have to do is go to junglescout.com. Jungle Scout Estimator. So just go to Google and type in Jungle Scout Estimator, and that is gonna give you that's gonna give you like everything you need to know about the BSR. It's gonna give you options, and the options are really simple. It's like what country you're in, United States, then you know what category is it under, whatever you're scanning. So it may be sports and outdoor, kitchen, home and kitchen, tools, whatever. You pick it, baby. You pick the category. Then it's going to say what is the BSR. Then you just type in the BSR that you see that when you scanned it, and then it'll tell you how many times it'll sell a month. So just go to Google and type in Jungle Scout Estimator, and you're good, bro. You won't never need any, for anybody out there, you would never have any other problems with BSR. Now, I want to add in the numbers on BSR will be skewed in Q4, although Q4 is over now, so everything's getting back to normal. But during Q4, the numbers are a lot lower. I was going to say higher, but higher means sell less. So the numbers are a lot lower because everything sells on Q4. So yeah, so just watch out for that during Q4. But now everything is good, so just go check out Google BSR. All right, guys. All right, now Google Jungle Scout Estimator. Now, next question. Hey man, enjoy the FBA tips. I noticed when I scan some books, multiple listings pop up with all kinds of different prices. Which listing should I be looking at? The one with reviews? Question. Yes, definitely the one with reviews. The one with the best BSR. So typically the one with the lowest BSR. That's the one you want to be looking at. But if you can't make a profit with it, then you want to kind of look at some other ones, right? So, but you definitely wanted to have a good BSR to where you know there's a demand. And yeah, if there's reviews, definitely that's a plus. So yeah, definitely go with that one. Don't go with the one that has no BSR whatsoever, because that's just no good for any product. Don't ever buy a product that has no BSR or you can't find the BSR. Just skip over it, no matter how good the profits are. Now it's up to you. You can do it if you want to. You can risk it. You can buy it, take it home, check it. Maybe it does. It just wasn't popping up, and then you can sell it, and or maybe it was a bust, like I said, and you're just gonna have to return it. So if it doesn't have a BSR, just don't buy it. But yeah, for books, go for the good BSR. That's the one you should buy, because there's always gonna be multiple of the same book, majority of the time. You just got to pick the listing that best suits you, that's going to make you the most money, that you feel that's going to sell fast. So, yeah, that's what you want to do. All right, next question. I'm hoping I'm answering these pretty right, because I'm going really fast right now, guys. Yeah, next question. What happens when the FBA products you send to Amazon don't sell? Okay, I made a video about this. I will post a link to that video up here, right now. But typically what happens if the Amazon product doesn't sell is that you have to send it back to yourself. You have to send it back to yourself because you don't want to get charged with like extended storage fee time or whatever. I hope I said that right. You don't want to get charged extra for it being in the Amazon warehouse for super long. So you would send it back to yourself. And or somebody return something and you know it gets returned back to you and you want to check it, and if everything's good you just relist it. Alright, so if something doesn't sell, well, I guess that had nothing to do with something not selling. That was like returns. But yeah, if something doesn't sell, you're just gonna just mail it back to yourself, and that's all you want to do. And yeah, you can either take it as an L, take it as a loss, or list it somewhere else like eBay, Facebook Marketplace. Or if you have the receipt, even return it. I mean, I don't recommend it, but maybe you could do that. You can get away with that. I don't know. I'm just saying, that's what I would do if I still had a receipt. To be honest, I don't care what anybody says. If I had the receipt and it's still in new form, it just didn't sell, I'll return it and get my money back. So, yeah, that's what you want to do. So save all your receipts, family. All right, now, anywhere, next question. Look. Dang, bro. This is a long one. Oh, Lord Jesus. Just playing. I'm just playing, bro. Yo, bro, I appreciate all the videos you've been making. Been extremely helpful. I wanted to ask you, do you normally go into sourcing stores knowing what you're already looking for, or just scanning random items? I'm still new to this. Did my first FBA shipment last week. Good stuff, bro. I've seen some FBA gurus saying they already know what they're looking for. I guess once you find an item, you continue to look for that item in other stores. But do you people... okay, so basically, but even then, prices. But even then, you won't know the prices there. So okay, but yeah. Anyways, basically, what you're asking is, do I go into stores knowing what I'm already looking for? Yes and no. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Now, it just depends. Like, I've been to thrift shops that I know they had something. I bought a sample of it, and it sold really well, really fast. So I went to the thrift shop looking for the same item, bought them all. Went to another thrift shop looking for the same item, bought them all. Yes, I've done that. And yeah, you'll find those, and that's typically for more, not even thrift shops. I got lucky, but that's typically more for like big box or big name brand stores like Walmart, Target, stores like that, where if you go to one Walmart, you find a crazy deal, something crazy on clearance, and you buy all of them because they're going to make you a bootload of cash. So then you're going to go to the next Walmart and do it all over again, and go to the next one and do it all over again. So that's typically how you do it. It's kind of like online arbitrage, right? So for online arbitrage, you will buy something, order it to your house. If it sells fast and you make a nice decent profit, you would just go online to the same exact website, buy the same exact thing because you already know. But a lot of the times you're going in and you're freestyling, kind of. You go in and you just scan products. And this is where you'll find gold mines as well. Like you walk into a Goodwill and you just start scanning everything, even stuff that's not in boxes. You want to like figure out what it is and type it in and see if you can sell it used. And you will find gold mines like this, guys. So yes and no. I do sometimes, I don't sometimes. Alright, but yeah, family, I'm gonna wrap it up right there. Yeah, I'll probably be doing stuff like this. I'll probably be doing Q&As like this more frequently because I can answer a bunch of them faster for you guys and get to the point. So yeah, family, I'm probably going to be doing some retail arbitrage or something like that tomorrow. I've been doing a whole lot of online arbitrage and looking for different websites and looking for different products online. It's just been easier for me, you know, being here with my baby, watching her throughout the day, than to going out store to store to store to store. So yeah, it kind of works out in my favor. And honestly, it's just easy. It's better. You can keep reordering the same products over and over again. So that's what I've been doing, guys. So I will be answering your questions via video now, alright, because it's just faster. Like, look how fast that was, guys. So check out those links to those videos that I put up. For those of you that I said check out the links, and for everybody else, yeah, if you have any questions, I really recommend that you guys go watch. There's two main videos. I'm gonna post them down below, and that's everything you need to sell on Amazon. And then the other one is the step-by-step how to send your inventory into Amazon's warehouse. So you need to go watch those videos, guys, if you want to sell on Amazon. That being said, family, you already know it's peace and love. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell to get notified when I upload a video. Make sure you do that. Make sure, because you're not family until you do that, okay? So yeah, and give it a like, guys. Give the videos a like. Let's show YouTube that we the strongest. Let's show them. All right, family. So yeah, that being said, peace and love. There go my daughter. She's in there laughing with mommy. Peace and love. I'm out of here, family. Peace.